Hey viewers, I'm Glitters. On behalf of Scrapbook, I want to say thank you very much for watching this vlog. It's nice to know you guys are there for him. Hey Scrapbook, wanna take it from here?
Yeah. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope I can make new memories with you again. And that includes you, Glitters. Wanna say bye?
Bye!
Bye! Thank you.
One more thing.
Greetings, my lovely viewers! Sorry it's been a while since my last video, but today I'm heading to my first ever convention! Woohoo! I'm here with Glitters, who just graduated high school.
Hi, NetTube!
She is cosplaying as the main character from her favorite anime, Himizuki, and wow! Does she look cool! And this is Glitters' friend, Cam.
Yo, what's up?
Whoa! Wait! Oh my gosh, do you sell My Limping Peacock stuff?
Yep.
Yeah!
I am at the front stage.
Sorry about that.
Hey, no worries.
Compose message. Begin dictation.
Hey, Icy! Give me 5 more minutes, okay?
Whoa. That is pretty.
Oh, I see you found the big hydrangea sticker.
Oh, I gotta have that. Hi NetTube, I have some bad news. I can't go into conventions anytime soon. My mom wasn't too happy that I spent my savings on all that merch, and spent so much time hanging out with my friends that I lag behind in my studies. She told me to give a good hard look at what I want to do for the rest of my life. I hate how she keeps comparing me to my sister, all pretty and hard-working she always is. Why is Mama okay with her friends and not mine? And do you know what the worst thing is? She even brought up Dad! It's just not fair. It's just another year and a half of this. I'll make it through, and I still have Glitters to keep in contact. I just hope you'll stick with me after all of this, and we can make some new memories with you again. See you later. Hey there friends, it's been a rough day, I guess you could say. Even though I try my hardest, sometimes you lose anyway. School is tough, there's so much preparation. I try my best and wish it was vacation. Where's the fun, where's imagination? Why has life become this? Everywhere I've been reminds me of the things I've done and my past. Everywhere I go I try to be my best self. Everything I've done reminds me childhood was not made to last. But still I push on knowing there's still something more. Despite the remarks, I can create a new spark. Away from the life I've been trapped in, and I need to believe that this time will end. Cause I would like to make new memories with you again. all the
just
things
waiting
I've
to be
done and my
explored. It
best
all
everywhere
surrounds
I
us.
go. I
Every
try
turn
to
I
be
turn,
my
every
best. So
door, a
everything
new
I've done
adventure.
in my
I
sweet
can't wait till I
childhood
can
was
see
not
like
like the
you
rest.
never lost your freedom.
Could it be now? I see some way, somehow I'll make
so
it.
hard
Some
and
way,
wonder
somehow
I will
I'll
see
see my
my
reward. So let loose and be free.
Embrace creativity.
And no matter what they say about me, I'll do my best all the way till the end. 'Cause I wanna make new memories with you again.